Good morning, everybody. This is your Euro USD setups for today. So a big pin bar here off will be structure, and we can argue for many different areas, but I think that's probably the most logical one, which is 106773. Double bottom on the oscillators here on the 8 hour. Not really any other structure here. We have crossed over all the moving averages, so I would be a little bit skeptical about calling for a long just yet. I think from the bigger picture, when you look at the weekly, we're still very much in this range that we've been in all year so far, and this is the bottom of the range. And for us to really get moving to the upside, we need to break through the top of the range. And it's kind of messy, but yeah, you'll get the picture. We've got to get through 109,231. So I think we are waiting for politicians, we're waiting for the Feds, and I don't think anything else is going to change yet. We do have the Feds coming out, I think, tomorrow with their minutes. So, yeah, we could be waiting for that as well before we get moving. So at the moment, if you look at the oscillators, they're starting to separate. Big move down last week, and this is just a little flag. So I would be putting in my levels. There's one there. I'll give these levels to you now on the hour because that's where we want to be looking at this. So you can see how we got above this area. So I'd want to retest in a proper rejection of 107,357. However, pay attention to your moving averages. They have crossed over and you are in between the 150 and the slower moving averages at the moment. So I'll take this with a big pinch of salt at the moment. You're going to want to see a decent move down and then a pullback to come and test structure, and that will have to happen on the 15-minute. So it's already started to happen, which is a good sign, but something like this. So I want to see price come back and reject 107,300 before even thinking about another leg down. But that should be the most logical move at the moment. Just be very wary of this crossover on the hour. So what you're seeing on the 15 minutes is one thing, but when the hour has the moving average crossover, typically that holds as well. So I'd be very cautious about shorting, but I'm also very, very nervous about going long. So yeah, I think best way to trade this would be if it does start getting back above 107,357 area, I'd wait for the pullback and then continue on the journey up to the upside. But if we do I would want us to fall a little bit more than where we are now, then come back and test this 107,280, 107,300 area before committing to a short. And that would be 160 points stop loss. And I would be aiming for 106,775 area. Actually, I lie. First target's going to be this pin bar. And this is a very strong area of support as well. So that's 107,060 or 107 dead is probably what they'll be aiming for. So yeah, that's kind of my setup for today. But a very nervous one. So I'll be very cautious about this. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.